Hey everybody, I have talked about the importance of getting enough rest and how that impacts the way our skin looks and how it ages. And pillows are a very important part of that. And in today's video, I'm going to share something new with you guys that I have found that not only helps my skin look great, but goes way beyond what regular pillows and pillowcases can do. Hey all, we're going to be talking about how to use sleep or the way you're sleeping to actually enhance your skin and help you prevent the signs of premature aging on the face in particular. If you happen to be new to my channel and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson, a skincare expert. I've been doing skincare like this for 36 years, helping folks like you find skincare that will work for them, not empty their wallet, and not do them more harm than good. So if that is the kind of content you've been looking for here on YouTube, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Now, this is not the first time I have talked about how important getting enough sleep is. We all know that. And if you've been following my channel anytime at all, you're also aware that our body has a sleep repair cycle that happens between about 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock at night, and 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. And that is when our body repairs itself, our skin repairs itself, takes out the old, dead, senescent cells and replaces them with healthier new ones. So sleep, a very important and complex process that takes place to benefit our health, our skin, and how we're going to look as we move through the years. But it's not just the length of sleep or the quality of sleep that matters, it's how we sleep. And unfortunately for a lot of us, we sleep on pillows that squunch up our face, creating dynamic wrinkles that are actually static as you sleep, creating lines and creases that won't go away, get deeper and deeper over time, that actually don't have to be there. Now, for a number of years, I have been using a sleep pillow by Sleep & Glow. It's called an Omnia pillow. This is it right here. It's a specially designed pillow. We've talked about this before, that has divots on each side so that when you sleep, your face is placed inside that concave little area so that it doesn't get squunched up. You can see there's one on both sides. I'm a tosser and turner, so I sleep on both sides, but it's also designed to support your neck when you sleep on your back, which is obviously the best way to sleep, especially for your skin on your face and neck. Now, not everybody can do that. I certainly can't. I have tried for years to teach myself to sleep just on my back, but I don't. I move around a lot, and I think that's true of most of us. So a pillow like this can be very helpful and give you surprisingly better looking skin. Within just a few days of using it, you'll see the difference when you're not squishing up your face. The other thing that occurs is that most pillowcases are made of cotton, which actually wicks away skincare products. So I know a lot of people have asked me this question: why do my skincare products end up on the pillow underneath the pillowcase? Well, the cotton in your pillowcase actually takes the moisture from your skin along with skincare oils and products and displaces them just like a wick on a candle onto your pillow itself. So your pillowcase is also very important. And for years, I have recommended silk pillowcases, bamboo pillowcases, because they don't do that. And Sleep & Glow has actually addressed this with a brand new pillowcase for their Omnia pillow that is made of copper. The copper is woven into this pillowcase, and it has a host of benefits for your face and your skin that goes beyond just stopping that wicking process that pulls the moisture and skincare products off your skin and onto your pillow. These pillowcases don't do that. Now, clinical studies have shown that actually using a copper pillowcase, because it's antibacterial, can really help with people who have acne breakouts, because it kills 99% of that bacteria that causes those breakouts. Not only that, the copper has a very cooling and healing effect on the skin. Obviously, it's going to help you fight wrinkles and decrease puffiness and redness. And as if those benefits were not enough, we all know that copper, like copper peptides, actually help spark and encourage collagen production in the skin. The same is true of copper tinsel into this pillowcase. There have been many clinical studies on the beneficial effects of using copper on the skin, and this is yet another way to help our skin in that anti-aging strategy. Now, previously, I've done full reviews on this Omnia pillow, which I take everywhere. I will put a link to those down below in the video description box, and of course, I will put a link to this pillow with its copper pillowcase for you to check out as well. But bottom line, how well you sleep and the way you sleep plays an important role in how your skin looks, not just tomorrow morning when you wake up, but again, as you move through the years. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like it, comment below, and share it out. It really helps my channel. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video that's coming up next. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. I really do appreciate you. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you over on that next video.